To make your foundation look flawless and stay longer, a primer is required. You can either apply the primer using a duo fiber brush, a flat foundation brush, or a latex sponge, or simply use your fingers. When blending, remember to use outwards and downwards motion. Use a mattifying primer for oily skin and a hydrating primer for dry skin. The next step is foundation application. Using a flat foundation brush, dab on the foundation onto the entire face and blend. If you have good skin, you can skip the foundation application process or simply put in the areas where needed. A liquid foundation is more suitable for oily skin. Start from the centers of the face and work outwards, using downwards and outwards motion as well. Ensure the foundation is properly blended into the skin, around the hairlines and the jawline. I'm using a flat top kabuki brush for this step.